In this video, we will add our data layers to our ArcPro project, then use the Spatial Join tool to join our county data to our CBSA layer. First, add a folder connection to your data folder where you unzipped the downloaded datasets. Click and drag to load in your CBSA and county data layer to your project. The layers are rather large, so it may take a bit for them to render. Once the layers are loaded, take a minute to explore these data layers and notice their similarities and differences. Notice that not every part of the U.S. is considered a CBSA, and some of the counties fall within larger CBSA distinctions. Because of this, let's try to figure out how many counties are contained in each CBSA feature. Since this data is not inherently in our attribute table, let's join the layers together using the Spatial Join tool. Before we do that though, let's go ahead and convert our counties layer into a point feature using the Feature to Point tool. This will make it a lot easier to join the data together. In the Input features, select our county layer and go ahead and name it the same title except have point at the end. Once the tool is finished, take a look at the layer by panning around and zooming in on the map. Notice that some CBSA layers have multiple point features within their geographic extent. Go ahead and pan to a rather populated part of the United States and you'll see what I'm talking about. Try toggling on and off the CBSA layer. Now let's use the Spatial Join tool to join these layers together. Select the target feature as our CBSA layer, and then our join feature as our newly created point layer. Use the Join One-to-One option and title the output feature class as Counties W CBSA for counties with CBSA. Then scroll down to the very bottom where it says Match option and select the Contains Relationship option, then click Run. This should now give us an almost identical looking CBSA layer, but now we have the attributes of our county layer. Go ahead and turn off all the other layers and open the attribute tables of our counties with CBSA layer. Notice that a new attribute has been added called join_count. This tells us how many county point features were contained in each CBSA layer. Go ahead and sort the join_count attribute from highest to lowest. You could do this by double-clicking the name of the attribute a couple of times. On the left-hand side, notice a small box. Go ahead and click and drag to the top 5 fields, and this will select the CBSA features with the highest county counts. Make a note of the names of these in the name field. In the next video, we will project our layers so that we can calculate the area of our urbanized area dataset.